Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today, I will be reviewing YoYoFit. So they're basically a smartwatch, and I am super, super excited to play around with it. You could order this on Amazon. The link is down below. They actually sent it to me to review and to test. I am super, super excited. It is basically a fitness tracker. Ooh, look at this. I'll put the price up right here for it. So this is the watch itself. Look at how fancy. And back here, I think this is how it tracks your heart rate and all of that great stuff. Also in the box comes a charger. So it's a touch screen. It lasts over 4 days. Think of it like an electronic watchdog for your health. Putting a finger on your pulse, constantly measuring your vitals, checking your quality of sleep, counting your steps, getting smart notifications, and even more. So you have to get the app too, because that's where you're gonna read all of the information from. And you can put in like your height, your weight, and set your own fitness goals on there. It's called Fit. So this is the app right here to download. Oh, okay, please full charge your new device 1 to 2 hours before initial use. You have to place it exactly like I did, like it literally clips on. So there's like 2 little gold pins, and on the charging cable, there are 2 gold pins right here, so you just have to align them. Okay, she's buzzing. She's buzzing up a storm, we're good. So it's compatible with iPhones and Androids as well. Oh, and it also has a remote shutter for your phone. Like if you're taking pictures, you could click on the app. That's something I like, I love that. There's also notifications to open your messages. So you could set alarms on this. You could track your daily activity and sleep, exercise, all that stuff. Sleep is cool. I think that's actually really cool. See your heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. I think that's super cool. I'm gonna let it charge for 1 to 2 hours, and then I'll get back to you and we'll look at the app and everything. So with the watch, you can monitor your heart rate and blood pressure, and it records all of your 24 hours activities such as steps, calories burned, walking mileage, activity times, and sleep status. The fitness tracker helps you get a clear picture of your body's health, which is insanely cool. The activity tracker offers 6 data record modes as walking, running, hiking, cycling, basketball, and badminton. You can also track your steps throughout the day, calorie consumption, and distance travel. And it's fully touchscreen, and the touchscreen is actually pretty good. Like it is super touch sensitive with 5 levels of adjustable brightness and 6 different dials. You could directly set the language, date, time on your watch. You could even decline like phone calls from like the smart fitness tracker directly. And this is compatible with smartphones that use iOS 8 and Android OS 5.1 and above. And yeah, it's honestly so good for the price. Like I can't even say anything else about it besides the fact that it's like insanely good for the price. Like if you don't want to splurge on an Apple Watch, this is a really, really, really good dupe. Okay, we're back. It's charged. This is how it looks. We've got a lot going on here. It tells you steps, it tells you your heart rate, and it has like a sleep section. Thank you YoYoFit for sending this to me. Definitely check them out. The link is down below. If you want a more affordable smartwatch, and it's on Amazon, it comes to you quick. It does so much with fitness, as you guys saw. It's super cool. Definitely check them out. Link is in the bio. Thank you. See you guys soon.